Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying micro needling for the very first time. Now this is the micro needle that I received in my Beauty Fix box last month. It's this one right here, and the brand is Ora. So I just thought that I would do it on camera for my first time. And I'm going to do it for 30 days and then we'll do a follow-up video and then you'll see the results. So if you want to see me microneedle for the first time, just keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that I need to do is I'm going to remove, I have some very light makeup on, so I'm just going to remove the stuff around my mouth and make sure it's clean and remove the lip product off. And then I'll be right back. Voila, so I'm all clean. Now, one of the first few things that I just want to go over quickly with you before I start rolling my lips, which by the way, I am super uber nervous, is you want to make sure that this is completely clean of all product, because you're going to be poking little tiny holes in and around your lips with the micro needling. And then also you want to make sure that this is clean. So I've already cleaned it, even though it's brand new and I've never used it before. I went ahead and I cleaned it with some rubbing alcohol. So you just want to rub it over that and make sure it gets on all of the needles. And then after you're done with it, you're going to want to clean it again as well and just set it out to dry. It's not going to take very long. So those are just a few simple things. And then I'm going to micro needle twice a week. I think you can do it between 2 and 3 times a week. Like you can do it every other day. Now, depending on how my skin does, and if I feel like I can do it one more time, then I'll do it 3 times a week. But as of right now, I'm planning on doing it twice a week. And what this is supposed to do is it's supposed to stimulate the collagen in your lips and around your lips. So like, I'm 47 years old, so you lose like collagen, so they start to shrivel a little bit, get lines and all that. So hoping that these babies will plump up so I don't have as many lines. So all right, without further ado, let's get started. So I've watched several videos on this, so I've learned how to do it. And so basically you go 10 times this way, 10 times this way, so each side of your lip, and then you're going to go up and down. They do not want you to go like this and drag it across your lip. So okay, so I'm gonna look in my mirror. I have a mirror right down here, and hopefully you can see it. Let me see if I can move a little bit closer so you can see me. Hopefully that's better. All right, like my heart is beating really fast. Okay, I don't have any lidocaine or anything, yeah, let's get started. So, okay, just to let you know, you're not supposed to like really dig it into your skin, just light pressure across the lips. And as of right now, it doesn't hurt me. So let's continue doing it. Okay, so we're not done yet, and like, I don't know if the needles are not that big, but it doesn't really, I don't really feel it hurting. I'll have to look and see what size this needle is. I know there's bigger needles. Okay, this is the 0.25. So I feel like it's a good needle to start with. So now that we've gone side to side, now we're gonna go up and down. So let's do that. Some people say it makes your lips a little bit red, and then after you do this, like, they'll feel a little bit plump. So we'll see after I get done. So I'm counting in my head. You guys, I was so freaked out, but it really doesn't hurt. Like, I can feel little pokes. You want to rest your lip against your teeth to kind of get some grip. Okay, so now I'm not going to do underneath here, but I am going to do on the top. And my bottom lip is bigger than my top lip. So I'm going to do like right here, since you get lines there and you lose elasticity as you get older. So I'll do here. And then we'll go here. And then here. Okay. So they do so far, I feel like just with the Derma rolling, excuse me, you know, I could see them. They're a little bit red, a little bit puffy, as you can see. So especially you can see the top lip. I do see some redness on the bottom. Yeah, so I'm going to get some serum, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to put on them to assist in the collagen building. So hang on one sec. Okay, so what I'm going to put on my lips, I'm going to put two things. So since it's evening time, you can do this during the day. I've heard from one person, the reason why she likes doing it during the day is because, as you can see, your lips do get like plump, and then so she likes that look. But the only thing is, I feel like you can't put on maybe some skincare that you wouldn't be able to put on and wear in the sun. So for my first time, I'm doing it at night and allowing my skincare to soak into my lips while it's repairing itself at night. So you can do it either or, just be really careful if you're doing it during the day. And for today, I'm going to use the Tarte, and it is the Mermaid Skin, and it's hyaluronic acid, it's H2O serum, and this is vegan, cruelty-free, so it's very natural. There's no harmful ingredients, and hyaluronic acid is what it's going to help build collagen, help build moisture, and plump up the skin. So this is exactly what your skin needs. So I'm just going to give it a pump. Ooh, did you see some of that? And hopefully this is the first time I'm trying this serum. I have several different serums I could try, but since Tarte is all natural, and they don't use any like weird ingredients, I thought this would be great in case I'd have a reaction. So yeah, just get your favorite hyaluronic serum that's maybe good for sensitive skin. So okay, so I have that, and then this serum I use all the time, and it like dries, it like soaks in so super quickly. So like it's already in there, dried up. And then the last thing I'm doing, the last thing I am going to put on is a lip product. So I'm out of my regular Grande lips, so I'm going to be using my mini Grande lips, and it is a lip plumper. So this is all natural as well. It has no harmful ingredients. So this is going to moisturize and also soak in your skin. So I'm going to put this on, and then we'll finish up the video. Okay, you guys, so I have my lip products on, and now I need to just relax, go to sleep, and see, you know, what they look like and feel like in the morning. I mean, after doing this microneedling for the first time, I feel like I may be able to do this 3 times a week, so I would do it every other day. One more thing I wanted to tell you is just a trick. I'm not sure if you know, but you can also use eye cream on your lips even at night. Sometimes I do that before I put on like my other lip products, and it really forms a barrier. So you know, your night cream it'll soak in, it'll plump your eyes, it'll do whatever your eye cream says it's supposed to do. It will do the same thing for your lips, and it will moisturize them and protect them. So if you have an eye cream that has hyaluronic acid, you could absolutely use that on your lips. So that's just a little tip or trick there if you wanted to do that. But so I will microneedle my lips for 30 days, and I will do a follow-up video, and you guys can see what they look like after 30 days. Does this thing really work? So in the meantime, if you want to follow me on Instagram, and you'll be able to kind of see my progress in between, I'm Jenny at Real Life on Instagram. Alright guys, well that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!